My name is Edwin Giovanni Montesurrego. I am 39 years old. I currently live in Soacha, Cundinamarca, studying international business, and I really enjoy going to the mail with my wife and son. In the morning, I wake up at midnight. I take the car to the gas station. I have coffee, white milk, and a sandwich for breakfast. I take my son to the preschool in the morning. At the office, I carry out my duties. I have lunch at 1 o'clock in the afternoon after my schedule. On weekends, we usually go out as a family so Maximiliano can ride his bike. On Sundays, we like to go out as a family to the eat at the mall.